आज मैं आपको एक सच बताने जा रहा हूँ जो मैंने बहुत सालों से कभी किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं किया। आज से करीब 17 साल पहले 2008 में मैं एक सीनियर डिलीवरी मैनेजर था बहुत बड़ी एमएनसी के लिए इंडिया में ही। और मुझे सडनली बोला गया कि अब बिजनेस स्लो डाउन हो गया है और कुछ और भी रीजंस हैं छोटे मोटे, बट बेसिकली आपको रिज़ाइन करना पड़ेगा। तो उस वक़्त वो शॉकिंग न्यूज़ मेरे लिए ज़रूर थी, बट फैक्ट ये था कि मैं उस जॉब के ऊपर ऐसे डिपेंडेंट नहीं था कि भाई उसके बिना मेरी लाइफ ख़त्म हो जाएगी। एंड मैं वैसे भी खुश नहीं था बिकॉज़ मेरे को बार बार फॉरेन के ट्रिप्स लगाने पड़ रहे थे, जबकि मैं लगाना नहीं चाहता था। मैं इंडिया वापस आया था अमेरिका से आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम। I decided to resign without any problem. However, there were other people around me जिनको also lay off किया गया। Senior project managers थे, senior developers थे। Okay, कुछ को तो मेरे को ही कह के उनको फायर करवाया गया। तो that was so devastating for those people. Okay, because उनकी aspirations और उनकी financial condition was very different than mine. They were not that prepared and they were not ready for handling that. So no doubt it is a very, very devastating thing for a lot of people to be laid off suddenly in the IT sector or any sector for that matter. So what is the lesson that we learn from it? The lesson that you learn from it is that be independent, have other sources of income. Ideally, don't wait too long to do your own startup. Don't wait too long to become an entrepreneur. Make sure that you can be in a profession, which gets more and more valuable as you get older. And which doesn't have, frankly, the IT profession is very difficult because the technology keeps changing very rapidly, so it's very hard to keep up with it. So the bottom line is you have to be mentally prepared. You have to be financially prepared, when you are working in the IT sector for any changes to happen. And that may be true for other industries as well, but I think it is particularly true for the IT sector. So I just wanted to give that message to everyone. Thank you.